Awesome. So it's not really a Saturday if you do not have soup, and I'm talking about authentic Jamaican soup on the fire on a Saturday. Joining us this morning are Adrian Wilson, founder and co-owner of Soup King, along with Chef Kenneth. And they're here to give us a little taste of what's offered at this new food spot. It's called Soup King. Hi, Kings. Good morning to you.
Hi, what's up? Thanks for having us.
Good. Adrian and Adrian. Hey, I just had to do that.
Yeah.
Hi, Adrian. Talk to me about this venture right here. Soup and Jamaica, synonymous. We were talking off here and I was saying, I was never really a soup girly.
And I was so sad to hear that.
I know. And then I was like, sometimes the only thing that makes sense on a menu is the soup. And
That's
then
true.
Here I am. I changed my mind.
And that's the research behind it when I just opened. I was like, are you really Caribbean? Are you Jamaican if you don't love soup? And do we have a soup establishment? I think most of the times it's either a parent sending someone to school, having a soup cart or something like that, but are people really focusing on soup being the main? So the business came about.
So there's no fried chicken and rice and peas on the menu. It's just strictly soup.
No.
And you're having variations of soup.
And we're having variations of soup.
So we know in Jamaica, we have our traditionals that we love. We love a manish water, we love a good chicken soup, we love a good red pea soup, and variations of that too. You can use your pig steel, your salt beef, your chicken foot.
For sure.
And vegetarian option as well. In terms of offerings, are you giving me all of that I've mentioned?
Everything you named out, I feel like you've been to the store before. You are a soup lover. We are giving out all these options 6 days a week, 3 soups in the week, 4 soups on the weekend.
I was just about to ask, being that Saturday is officially soup day, are you doing something special for Saturday?
So we go 4 on a Saturday and we go an hour later on a Saturday, and we kind of make sure it's title different. So we call that one Soup Saturdays. That's what it actually originated from, Soup Saturdays first, before we opened the business to 6 days a week.
All right, so I'm looking at, when I initially came in and I saw the colors of the container, I was like, oh, cup soup. But it's not cup soup the way we're accustomed to them. You just have branded cups for your business. And I'm realizing that the color has a different name and a different size to it. You want to walk us through what
Okay, sure. So we wanted the cups to advertise for ourselves when it's on the road. So we came up with some designs and some names. So the usual small is an 8 ounce when you're at an event or pull up on a roadside. Our small starts at a 16, which is just enough. And then we have the medium size, which is a belly full. And then we have a greedy. The name was kind of tricky there, but the people play with it.
A greedy. So this one is the just enough. And normally when I buy soup at work in a canteen, I normally buy the just enough, but it's really a medium. Everywhere else. And this one is the belly full.
That's the belly full.
Is always a
24 ounce.
This Alandia and Prince, Craven, aka Greedy.
and they come to the store and ask for it.
And Greedy.
Widely,
Sometimes after this and this, you're like, no, I have to up my game a little bit more. Chef, bringing you in on this one, you are responsible for ensuring that whatever we're getting in these containers, sweet to the belly. Talk to me about how you go about, ensuring that the soup each and every day maintains the high standard, the quality that I'm sure your customers have become accustomed to.
Okay, the first thing what I do, I create my menus, right? Some customer may comes in the store and said the chicken soup, they need sweet potato. No, I just create something and they come taste it and they love it.
And they love it.
Right, and I just use fresh seasoning. Right, no cock soup.
No powdered seasoning with no MSG and taking the health into that part of it. How are you affected, especially with the hurricane and having lost a lot of, the bread basket parish itself being severely affected?
To be honest, we have been affected because we opened immediately after the disaster, sadly. And the pricing is finally coming back to normal, but we can't compromise the quality. So we just make sure we try and keep that going regardless of the price.
Chef, how long it takes to make a pot of soup now? Because you have to prepare from the day before?
Oh, yes, and naturally I start in the morning with a 80 quart.
Big pot?
Big pot, right. So I put it on at 6:30, and then ready
For
Like
11.
9:30.
So for as early as 9 o'clock soup ready?
We're open at 11.
Yeah,
So
open.
do not
Okay.
bomb rush. Do not bomb rush at 9. But yeah, we're open at 11. But as soon as the doors are open,
Soup is ready.
Ready.
And all the options that are available for the day, they're ready at.
they're ready at that time. At first, you know, we had to kind of gauge, because you have to understand the soup needs to be hot, it needs to be ready. But at 3 o'clock, they need their soup.
That's
at 4 o'clock, they need their soup. So we have a system where we look and see if we're running out
Put on
and
the
reload.
spot.
Yeah, man, immediately.
Yeah.
And you had that where, that one is a hit today.
We
So-
we know the hits and we know the amount of soup that we require.
What are the hits, chef?
Well, like today, Friday.
So what, today's Saturday, today's Saturday.
Today, Saturday, the manish water or the seafood.
Seafood.
Yeah.
Yes.
And with Lent, a lot of people are, observing the no meat for Lent, or for persons who are vegetarian, do you have an option for them as well?
Yes. Our biggest sellers vegetarian is a 3-bean stew
bean.
or the vegetarian pepper pot.
Vegetarian pepper pot. What are your customers saying when they taste your soup? Chef laugh, he don't have words.
No modesty to you, man. No.
They all, last week, one person come to the manager and said to her, make sure you extend the chef contract for the next 5 years.
Adrian, you hear that?
On air, yeah. We know.
Anything else you want to add while we're on air? I'm just giving you trouble. So where are you located? Nisha, you love soup?
Love soup.
All right, come here, Bobby.
And-
We're going to try soup? You have soup for we try?
Yeah, we do.
Yes.
So where you located?
We're located at Marketplace, which is 67 Constant Spring Road, Monday to Saturdays.
What's your favorite soup?
My favorite soup, beef soup.
Yes.
Pumpkin beef.
Pumpkin beef?
And then a red peas
And
after,
then red
yeah.
peas. What's your favorite soup, chef?
Well, I am telling you, I just created the bad dog pepper pot soup.
All right, you got me at bad dog.
Bad dog, pepper
From
pot
bad dog, I'm
Yes.
there because I love me a bad dog. What kind of soup?
Right.
you love?
I love soup. Soup is actually my favorite food.
Really?
So I love stew. I love chicken foot soup. I love chicken soup. I love red pea soup. I love
By the
love
way,
soup.
don't burn me out, chef. I think the only time you must eat chicken foot is if you're eating it soup.
With soup.
Okay.
Yeah.
True?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Most people think.
Most people.
I think so.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I love chicken foot. I don't get it.
So we've gotten a lot of requests for that.
So chicken
Yeah.
Yes.
Give me my good old nice pumpkin soup with enough chicken back. Hey, chicken back. Come in, I want my soup with too much meat. Neither.
So we did that. We did
Adrian?
we did that soup the
Yes.
other day.
Sir, can I try your bad dog? Because Adrian said
She
she
went
want a bad
straight to it.
dog.
Just so she's like,
Went
yeah,
straight
enough
to
of this.
I'm like enough of it. Yeah.
I love the soup when they have enough bone.
Oh, okay,
Some
okay,
can
okay,
try.
okay, okay,
Yes.
okay, okay, okay.
So you
manage
ask for
what-
extra bone when you go for soup rather
Yeah,
than
man.
extra meat.
Then extra meat.
No.
And we also provide that to upon request.
The extra bone.
Yeah, we charge extra meat. Well, if
Extra.
it's
Charge extra meat for this?
Yes.
we can up, yeah.
Yes.
Makes sense. All right, so which one are you trying? You want to try the bad dog one?
Bad
I think
dog.
I want to do the same. So what do you have with you here today? The bad dog one.
Well, knowing the
I have-
chef, he has brought a lot of
A whole
variety.
bunch of things. All right, so let's
We
Now they're
just,
smiling.
we just introduced the Bad Dog at the Kuya event with a collaboration with CB.
CB.
And it was a hit, so we're going to add it to our menu.
All right, let's go. We're
And
gonna
what's
try
in the bad dog?
What's
Bad
in the-
dog.
Bad
Dog
dog?
soup.
Bad dog.
What's in the bad dog, darling?
Pepper
It's a pepper pot Bad Dog.
I'm troubling.
Yeah.
Pepper pot means a pepper for choo-choo?
Well, the bad dog is spicy.
Yeah, oh yeah, it was
Yeah.
spicy.
Spicy.
Yeah, I use the jerk bad
The
dog.
jerk dog.
Yeah, because it's more flavorful.
So yesterday, Nisha, we had junker yesterday. Today we're having dog.
Right? You're trying to listen. What's going on?
We just shared this one,
just shared
and then you can give us another one to try. What else you have?
Well, I'm going to taste the
this
conch
is good.
soup.
Just give me that one. I'll carry that one home.
This is like a vegetarian type. Well, it's
No,
not
it's
really
not a
'cause
vegetarian, yeah.
What are these green things like callaloo?
That's
Yeah, that's the callaloo. That's why you make
That's
a
the base
pepper
of
pot,
it.
yeah.
Pepper pot.
Never know.
That's the base for a pepper pot.
Jesus God.
Listen, one thing we have to learn how to do, how to cook.
Okay,
It's delicious.
the bad dog.
It's delicious.
He's actually making you guys sample our new addition to our menu.
This is a new addition
Starting
to
March.
This one is what?
This is actually the conch.
the conch.
Oh dear.
Have a conch too.
Oh my God. The guys love this one.
well.
I take it, right?
Yeah.
I don't know what's up with men and like kung soup. Is it really true?
I have no idea. I'm just supporting
He's
what
like,
the
I'm just
culture is saying.
here. Chef is doing
No, that's what the culture says.
All right. Any other anything else? Any new location you plan to open in the near future?
Yeah, we're looking
Any
into
expansion?
doing a franchise of this brand. We feel like it's authentic to the culture that we are built off
Yeah.
when you're at home on a Saturday, you know it's a soup. So, and it does a lot. It was one of the biggest requested thing for me to reopen, actually, coming from where we were before.
Options
I
to
love
order or anything like that online?
Okay, so currently now we're on the Doorstep app. So you can call or put in that order through Doorstep, receive that. We're going to do an online platform where you can actually do a curbside pickup.
Right.
And then you can come in store.
What is really nice, what I love about this is that Saturday morning, Saturday is soup day. I love the fact that you don't have to cook the soup.
You can just visit us.
Just come buy the soup. I love
Yes.
it. Life is good. I taste everything. Listen, I eat everything on my way. And one more time, how can we find you on social
You
media?
can find us at Instagram at SoupKing876. And that's where you can find us.
Thank you, Chef. I'm planning something new, near future, new recipe coming soon.
Well, I planned to every month
Introduce
something.
All right.
Can we make
Because,
requests?
pumpkin
Can we
seasonal.
make, like we want this or we want that? We
Yes,
can make
we
requests?
can make requests.
Beautiful. Love that. Soup on a Saturday.
Yeah.
The soup.
Or every day.
Every day.
Every day for the soup. Every day.
Except
Breakfast,
Sundays,
lunch,
yeah.
and dinner.
Giving me a vibe right here.
Love that. So, you can't eat all of that. Leave some for me in a day and I walk on.
Adrian Wilson, founder, and co-founder of Soup King, and Chef Kenneth, thank you so much for stopping by.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank
Listen,
you.
we on the food. You know they have to take away the TV.
Listen, if there's anything I'm here for is the food. Hello?